awesome. 皆さん、設定で日本語字幕をつけてみてね。Hi guys, today I am here, Epping Forest, because I've been so busy at work, I couldn't think about my life, my future, my family, my friends and the stuff, which is not good. Yeah, I love London life, fascinating, exciting. I love London life, but sometimes we need to be refreshed by real nature like this, and the people always around you, which is really good. But I think sometimes we need to be alone, to think about yourself. Take deep breath. So fresh air, which I love. I grew up in countryside, Nagano, where it's a really rural area, a lot of mountains. So I have to be back, Look, here is literally nobody around me. Oh, I am alone in a forest. And yes, it's been a really good day. Weather is nice, people are nicer, and more be relaxed. So good. I realized how easy to vlog because nobody around me. It's free. Recently, I got thumbs up from Ben Brown on Instagram when I took a picture with him. I was so happy when I saw his name on my phone. I was what is it like this? I was so happy. Anyway, orange on the tree. And one more, I got haircut. What do you think? Do I look okay? Wow. It's been an awesome day. I love here. Tonight, I'm going to meet up with Kento, so it's time to go back home. I think I'll be back here with my friends because I love here. So good place. It is Zone 6, but nobody and you can escape from the urban area. I highly recommend. So, how was today's vlog? I hope you like it. See you next vlog, okay? I'm going to sign off today's vlog. Thank you for watching, my heroes. Goodbye.